today's video, we are going to cook brownies for tomorrow. So Lauren can have snack. So Lauren will read us the direction and how to bake this. We are doing it from this White King.
White King.
Okay.
Okay. Number 1. Now.
Yes.
Okay. Preheat oven at 350 F. And 177 C. Grease 9-inch square pan with oil.
Okay.
Number 2. Combine White King Ultimate Fudge Brownie mix with eggs, water, and oil medium bowl until well blend. Spread batter evenly on the pan.
Okay.
On pan. Number 3. Bake for 30 minutes or until done. Cool and cut.
Okay, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I am cutting the bag because Mommy is getting the food done. So I will. Sister, cut me. Okay, it said spread it evenly.
Okay, so you got your dry ingredients there.
Now we need the wet. Okay. Ooh, that was slimy. Damn. Okay.
So you are cracking 2 eggs.
Yes.
Okay, and oops, careful. And here's the 1/2 cup oil. Okay, put it here.
I got it.
Okay, and then we need
Stirring.
not yet. We need water.
Water. Yay.
Okay, go find the whisk.
This. Oh. Not here. Not here.
No. And we need 1/4 water.
Go.
Okay, and you can whisk it.
Smash the eggs first.
Yeah.
First, you have to smash your eggs until it looking like. Oh, I can't. Until
I'll
it
show you.
looks
I'll do it.
like this. Smash them. And then you have to mix it. Gently.
Hold it properly.
Until it looks like this.
Okay, more. Slowly, darling.
Smoothly.
Okay, more. Whisk it some more.
And then
Make sure it's all mixed together.
mix it.
Okay, and then let's make
Oh,
here.
okay. Make
Okay.
a hole like that.
Okay, and you can. Sorry. Okay, that's enough, I think.
And then you put your whisk in there. And
Okay,
then
pour it.
you gently pour your egg batter into the mixture. All
Yeah.
until it's all covered up in pieces.
Oh.
It's chocolatey.
Okay, later, no? When she's cooking, it's hot like that. She's eating it while she's mixing. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Let me know if you need help.
I don't need help. I'm a big girl.
That's correct.
You mix until it looks like this. This is 100% real. Never photoshopped. When it looks like this, you have to crunch all the hard bits. And then get all of your extra chocolate that has been inside. And then you add all of those extra chocolates into your mixturing bowl.
So this will be your snack tomorrow, okay?
Okay. Reheat.
Yeah.
Reheat. When your batter looks like this, you must smash up all of the hard parts in here.
It's looking good.
Delicious. You have to taste your mixture if it's good.
Exactly.
If you're doing it right. It tastes exactly the same as a brownie. Perfect brownie. Homemade brownies. How to make homemade brownies.
You're a baker now.
Let's slap you with this. You must get all the extra powder again if you don't have any more extra powder, you will just mix like this to 4 to 5 hours. And then time lapse. 4 to 5 minutes done.
Minutes, not hours, no minutes, no.
5 hours, minutes. It's minutes.
Yeah, she said it's minutes, guys, not hours.
Mix until it's this done.
Okay, I think it's almost done, or I think it's done. Right? You did it well. Yeah, I want you to do it like that.
I think we're done.
Tired na? Tired na? Okay, I'll go get the
Wait, can we use the
pan.
wicks?
No. And I will spray the pan, guys. Make sure it doesn't stick.
Ooh, this is
Okay.
okay,
Let's pour it.
It's delicious. I want
So, I think I should help you. Okay, I'll do it. I'll help you. But let them see. Because it's hard, darling. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I'll do it. I'll finish. It's sticky, guys, so
And very hard.
it's quite difficult
And very
to
hard.
do for Lauren.
My hands. My poor hands.
Because she did all the mixing herself.
Wait, you have to
So,
spread evenly.
Yeah, just wait, darling. I'm not
You have
done.
to spread.
Yes, you will. Just wait.
I'm gonna spread it. I'm the professional butcher.
You're the professional.
Yes. But I'm not smart.
Okay.
You must gently and fill in all of the corners gently. And now you must slide
Okay, I think that's good. Okay, and then this
brownies
we
are done.
will put in the oven. So here's the baker. Wait, I'll do it myself. Give it to me. So there it is.
It's still battered.
So we have to wait for how many minutes? Again?
You bake for
How many
30
minutes?
minutes or until done, cool and cut.
Okay, copy. So si Lauren is here eating the brownies na. So yan guys. It's moist. Lami kay siya. Kaon na si Lauren.